Latest features of Hyundai Ioniq 5. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 is more than an electric crossover, with 320 horsepower, 446 pound-feet of torque and a driving range of 303 miles. The Ioniq 5, which is comparable to the all-electric Tesla Model Y, gets a more rugged appearance than other electric SUV around the world. The Ioniq 5 is spacious inside and well-balanced on the outside, giving it a sporty look. To discover how it stands out from other electric cars, keep watching. Before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Let's dive into the main topic of today. Latest features of Hyundai Ioniq 5. The Ioniq 5 is readily available for purchase right now. You can visit the all-new 2022 Ioniq 5 page on Hyundai USA website, configure your Ioniq 5, and submit your contact and payment details. Once submitted, you will receive an email receipt to keep for your records. You will also receive a call from an Ioniq 5 concierge agent to confirm your selection. The Ioniq 5 will compete against other electric SUVs such as Toyota BZ4X, Tesla Model Y, Kia EV6, and Ford Mustang Mach-E. The fully developed Ioniq 5, which was debuted as an idea vehicle at the 2021 Munich Motor Show, that took place between September 6 and 12, 2021. The all-electric Ioniq 5 is available in 5 different trims which buyer can choose from. The base model of the Ioniq 5 is known as Standard Range Model. The base model is presented as a rear-mounted electric motor that produces 168 horsepower, with a 220-mile range and ultra-fast charging. The next model is the SE trim that is powered by a 77.4 kWh battery pack that will upgrade performance with rear and all-wheel drive options. The rear-wheel drive version of the SE model produces 225 horsepower, with a 303-mile electric range on a single charge, while the all-wheel drive is paired with 2 electric motors that manufacture 320 horsepower and will deliver a 256-mile electric range. Hyundai offered the top model of the Ioniq 5 as limited long-range both all-wheel and rear-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive version is much more powerful, with 320 horsepower and a substantial 446 pound-feet. It sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds, which is common among fastest accelerating electric cars. Hyundai says the larger battery can be charged from 10 to 80% in around 18 minutes or at 68 miles around 5 minutes when plugged into a DC fast charger. Other EVs such as Toyota BZ4X with 252 miles, and Subaru Solterra with 228 miles comes only with short battery range compared to the Hyundai Ioniq 5 big battery pack. The Ioniq 5 interior parades a very much educated space with a digitized dashboard and a significant piece of eco-obliging materials. A head-up show with expanded reality that can project course orientation on the windshield is just a single capricious part. The moderate mixture in like manner takes advantage of everything electric packaging, with a thoroughly level floor for most prominent Voyager and cargo space. The front seats similarly recline and solidify hassocks which will permit individuals to loosen up while charging the Ioniq 5. It comes standard with a sans hands power liftgate, fake cowhide upholstery, encompassing inside lighting, a warmed guiding wheel, remote charging, an 8-speaker Bose sound system, and all-encompassing sunroof. Joined to the dashboard is a 12.0-inch touchscreen that runs different capacities like environment control in the vehicle and highlights cell phone coordinated applications, for example, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's additionally a high-level voice acknowledgement innovation. On the opposite side of the dashboard is a 12.0-inch computerized check bunch which show driving informations. The rest of within is in basically the same manner as clear, with a ton of room in the 2 sections for adults. The backrest of the secondary lounge is reclines which grants back Voyagers to unwind around and loosen up in near quietness as they're conveyed along. The Ioniq 5 likewise includes a front trunk that can contain things under 1 cubic foot of room. From one perspective, the back boot is wide and gives straightforward access, disregarding the way that it's actual show, and you'll need to pull out the group rack to oblige greater things. There's 527 liters of room on arrangement, and this creates to a colossal 1,587 liters with the secondary lounges imploded. The Ioniq 5 comes with suite of driver assistance technology, a level 2 autonomous drive mode called Highway Driver Assist 2. With this assistance turned on, the vehicle can control both steering and decelerating of the car. Here the automation falls short of self-driving because a human sits in the driver's seat and can take control of the car at any time. Other safety features are available forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, available lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control. The Ioniq 5 comes with an impressive amount of complimentary scheduled maintenance, such as limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles, powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles, and complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles. The Ioniq 5 starting price is just over a few $1,000s, over $40,000. Unlike a Tesla, the long-range model of the Ioniq 5 have a starting price of $50,645 and go up to $55,745 for the limited long-range trim. It's eligible for a full $7,500 federal EV tax credit. Hyundai already has a handful of deals for buying and leasing its newest electric car. Right now, are you ready to purchase the all-new Ioniq 5? Or do you have another electric car in mind? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified for more videos.